In this problem, we are given an equation that is not currently written in slope-intercept form, and then we're asked to find the slope and the y-intercept. Again, slope-intercept form must be written in the form as to y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And this equation that we're given, we're not currently seeing slope-intercept form, so our main goal is to get it in slope-intercept form, where we'll see that y is all by itself, and then mx and b are on the other side of the equation sign. So let's get started. What I notice here is I have negative 5x plus y on one side of the equation sign, and then the 7 is on the other side by itself. All I need to do for this is to go ahead and get negative 5x on the other side of the equation sign. Here's a little line so we can see kind of the divisor between that. So what I'm going to do is to get negative 5x to the right side of the equation is I'm going to undo the opposite operation, or show an inverse operation, which would be adding 5x. To balance this equation, whatever I do to one side, I also have to do to the other. So I'm going to also add 5x to this side. And so my new equation will be y is equal to 5x plus 7. And I went ahead and put the 5x first because I want that to be representing the slope. And in slope-intercept form, slope comes first and then y-intercept. I could not add 5x and 7 together because they're not like terms. So this is my slope-intercept form. And now I'm going to go ahead and write down what is my slope and what is my y-intercept. Okay, at this point, you should be very familiar with what slope is. Again, that's the number that is with the variable x. In this case, the slope that is next to the letter x is the number 5. So our slope is 5. You could also say it is 5 over 1, because whenever we get into graphing a little bit later, slope is also considered as to doing rise over run. And then our y-intercept is always the number that's a constant or by itself, and that will be the number 7. It's positive 7 because it has a plus sign right in front of it.